Let's make orange and herb spiced nuts. You only need a small handful of ingredients. Zest approximately 2 tablespoons of fresh orange peel and whisk 2 egg whites until frothy. Now mince 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary leaves and add it in with the orange zest. Next, add 3 cups of roasted salted cashews and 3 cups of roasted salted pecan halves to a large bowl. Give it all a good mix and then add the frothy egg whites. Stir it all well, and then add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter cup, 1 teaspoon of salt, I like to use kosher salt, the orange zest and rosemary, some ground cinnamon, cayenne pepper if desired, and a fresh pinch of grated nutmeg. I also added about 2 tablespoons of the orange juice from the orange that was zested earlier. Give it all a good mix, and then it's time to spread the nut mixture on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes time, remove them from the oven, give them another good stir, and pop them back in for another 7 minutes. These are so good and so addicting. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.